This is question 54 of Civil Engineering paper of GATE 2019 forenoon session. A 3 meter into 3 meter square precast reinforced concrete segment to be installed by pushing them through an existing railway embankment for making an underpass as shown in the figure. A reaction arrangement using precast PCC blocks placed on the ground is to be made for the jacks. At each stage, the jacks are required to apply a force of 1875 kN to push the segment. The jacks will react against the rigid steel plate placed against the reaction arrangement. The footprint area of reaction arrangement on natural ground is 37.5 meter square. The unit weight of PCC block is 24 kN per meter cube. The properties of the natural ground are C is equal to 17 kilopascal, phi is equal to 25 degree and gamma is equal to 18 kN per meter cube. Assuming that the reaction arrangement has rough interface and has the same properties that of soil, the factor of safety against shear failure is. This question is from the topic of shear strength of soil. You may watch lecture 27 shear strength soil mechanics geotechnical engineering 1 by Professor Dilip Kumar Vaid, IIT Kharagpur. In this question, a railway embankment is given through which an underpass has to be made. For that, a precast RCC segment is installed in this railway embankment through this jack. This jack apply a force of 1875 kN at each stage to push this segment. Now, since this jack apply a force on this RCC segment, so a reaction will be developed on this jack and that reaction will be transferred through this precast PCC block, through this steel plate. So, since a reaction is developed on this PCC block, then a shear resistance is developed between this natural ground and PCC block. So, this reaction is attributed by two components. The first one is the cohesion and the second one is the friction between these PCC blocks and natural ground. So, we need to find the factor of safety against the shear failure. So, we can say the factor of safety, this factor of safety against the shear failure is equal to shear strength divided by applied load So, as we discussed, the shear strength is attributed by two components. The first one is cohesion and the second one is the friction. So, the formula for cohesion is the total cohesion will be the value of cohesion is given as 17 kilopascal, that is per unit area is given C. So, we can say the total cohesion will be this unit cohesion into the total area, this footprint area. So, we can say the unit cohesion into footprint area. So, this will be the total cohesion and friction. So, friction will be mu into normal force on this PCC block. So, when we analyze the forces on this PCC block, then we will get two forces in the vertical direction. The first force is the normal force in the upward direction and the second force is the weight in the downward direction. So, we can say the normal force is equal to the weight of this PCC block. So, we can write this is Ca plus mu into this normal force, we can write this weight of the blocks. So, now, this is Ca plus mu is equal to tan phi and W weight is equal to unit weight into volume. So, we can write this C cohesion as the value of cohesion is given at 17, this is 17 into footprint area. Footprint area is given as 37.5 plus tan phi. The value of phi is given as 25 degree. 25 degree into unit weight. Unit weight is given as 24. This is 24. And volume of this PCC blocks can be calculated by this footprint area into height. So we can write footprint area 37.5 into height. Height is 7.5. 7.5. So when we calculate this, we get the value 3785.1 kilonewton. Now the factor of safety is equal to shear strength. So value of shear strength we got 3785.1 divided by applied load. Applied load is 1875. So 1875. So the value of this ratio is 2. So we get the factor of safety against shear failure is 2. So the correct answer is 2. Thank you.